Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short and easy speech on E20 fuel. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to express my views on the topic E20 fuel. E20 fuel is a blended fuel that contains 20% ethanol and 80% petrol. It is an important step towards clean energy and a self-reliant India. Ethanol is a biofuel produced from sugarcane, maize, and other agricultural products. The use of E20 fuel helps reduce dependence on petrol and control pollution. It also benefits farmers by increasing the demand for agricultural products used in ethanol production. We should support eco-friendly fuels that can make our future cleaner and safer. E20 fuel is a positive step towards a greener and developed India. Thank you.